Hey there! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have a special video for all you future billionaires out there. We're going to discuss 15 problems that you can solve if you want to join the 3 Comma Club, one of which is quite the topic of eyebrow-raising controversy. So grab a cup of coffee, click subscribe, and get ready to be inspired. 1. Weight loss pill with minimal side effects. Did you know that the diet and weight loss industry is worth around $80 billion in the US alone? People are looking for an easy solution to their weight loss problems, and if you can create a weight loss pill with minimal side effects, you can tap into this massive market. Imagine creating a weight loss pill that not only helps people lose weight, but also has minimal to no side effects. This pill could quickly become the most profitable and widely used drug worldwide. Just to put things into perspective, ED pills alone generate $1.25 billion in revenue per year in the US. A weight loss pill could be equally valuable for both genders. 2. Viable plastic replacements. Our planet is suffering from plastic pollution, and we need alternatives. With the plastic packaging industry expected to hit $430 billion in 2024, there is a huge opportunity for you to create a viable alternative that is practical, cheap, and eco-friendly. To put the scale of the plastic problem into perspective, consider this shocking statistic. In the United States alone, it is estimated that over 500 million single-use plastic straws are used and discarded every day, amounting to 175 billion straws per year. Globally, the numbers could be even higher, possibly 5 times that amount. This illustrates the sheer volume of plastic waste that we generate on a daily basis. By finding a sustainable and practical alternative to plastic, you can contribute to reducing plastic pollution and make a significant impact on the environment. Not only will you be addressing a critical issue, but you'll also tap into a market that is ripe for disruption. The demand for eco-friendly packaging and materials is growing rapidly, presenting a massive opportunity for entrepreneurs who can provide viable solutions. 3. Bioprinting and organ printing. The organ transplant market is already worth $20 billion per year, and it's expected to become a $1 trillion industry in the next few decades. If you can advance the technology of personalized prosthetics, 3D printed skin for burn victims, and even printing working organs, you'll be at the forefront of this lucrative industry. To put things into perspective, the black market for organs already exists, with hearts being sold for under $1 million in the US and livers for around $500,000. This demonstrates that there is a desperate need for organ transplants and a shortage of supply. Studies suggest that 1 in 3 deaths could be delayed or prevented if we had access to enough spare organs. 4. Water. Scarcity. As of 2016, approximately 1 in 9 people in the world live without access to clean water. This number is expected to rise to 1.1 billion by 2025. Despite the planet being covered by 70% water, only 3% of it is fresh water fit for human consumption. 2/3 of that fresh water is locked in frozen glaciers, leaving a limited supply for our use. The water crisis is not just about scarcity, but also about access to clean water. Even in developed cities like Cape Town, water scarcity has become a pressing issue. The economic impact is significant, as lack of access to clean water affects agriculture, leads to a plethora of illnesses, and hampers overall development. Solving the water scarcity problem involves optimizing water consumption, improving sewage systems, and exploring alternative sources of water. This problem presents a massive opportunity to provide access to clean water for all, ensuring a sustainable future for humanity. 5. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a game changer with immense potential. Currently, AI is already generating over $1 trillion in value, and that number is projected to reach $3.9 trillion by 2025. The possibilities are endless. AI has the power to optimize and solve a wide range of problems, from revolutionizing customer experience to transforming healthcare, agriculture, and transportation. It could even be the gateway to immortality. However, as with any powerful technology, there are ethical implications and concerns over job displacement. AI has the potential to dramatically change the way we live, work, and interact. By understanding and harnessing the power of AI, you can be at the forefront of this technological revolution, shaping the future and making a significant impact on the world. 6. Energy storage. The future is electric, and energy storage is a critical component in this transition. Currently, the energy storage sector in the US alone is valued at approximately $8 billion, with an annual growth rate of nearly 25%. As clean energy sources like solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal gain traction, the demand for effective energy storage solutions is skyrocketing. Companies like Tesla have already made significant strides with their Powerwall storage options, but the technology has yet to go mainstream. More and more individuals in Western countries are seeking ways to become energy independent and have reliable backup systems. On the flip side, undeveloped areas lacking access to electricity are in dire need of energy storage solutions to bring them into the 21st century. Currently, around 1.3 billion people worldwide lack access to electricity. Developing mainstream energy storage systems will not only revolutionize the energy sector, but also provide millions with the opportunity for economic growth and development. 7. Food production and alternatives. The global food and agriculture industry, valued at approximately $50 trillion, faces challenges of inefficiency and waste. 1/3 of all food produced is wasted, amounting to billions of dollars lost annually. To address this, optimizing food production, reducing waste, and exploring alternative food sources like insect farming can provide solutions. Insects require fewer resources, produce less waste, and have high nutritional value. Though it may seem unconventional, incorporating alternative food sources offers both sustainability and market potential for entrepreneurs. By focusing on sustainable practices and innovative food production methods, entrepreneurs can contribute to solving the global food challenge while tapping into a market with significant growth potential. This sector presents an opportunity to optimize resource usage, reduce waste, and meet the increasing demand for food as the global population continues to grow. 8. Digital military tech. The landscape of warfare has evolved, and technology plays a crucial role in modern military operations. With 2.5% of the global GDP, roughly $1.7 trillion per year allocated to military spending, the focus has shifted to digital military technology. Traditional approaches, such as amassing troops and heavy weaponry, have given way to a more technological approach. In today's world, critical outcomes can be achieved through cyber warfare, economic destabilization, and the strategic use of drones and AI-driven missiles. Governments and even wealthy individuals are investing in digital military technology to gain the ability to both protect and attack from the comforts of their bunkers. The rise of digital military technology has also seen a surprising correlation with the gaming industry. Apps and games are being developed for remote missions, utilizing individuals who have grown up honing their skills in virtual environments. This merging of gaming and military technology allows for more efficient and precise operations. As technology continues to advance, the lines between science fiction and reality blur, with concepts like Ender's Game becoming more plausible. Aspiring entrepreneurs with expertise in this field can play a pivotal role in shaping the future of warfare and security. 9. Internet for everybody. As of the end of 2023, more than half of humanity, 65.6% to be exact, is connected to the internet. The value of the internet is immeasurable, with estimates ranging in the trillions of dollars. However, there is still a significant portion of the global population without access to this transformative technology. The internet has revolutionized education, trade, commerce, innovation, and communication. It has become an essential tool for personal and professional development. Many argue that access to the internet is a basic human right in the modern era, and bringing internet access to the remaining population presents a massive opportunity for entrepreneurs. The educational aspect alone is mind-blowing, as it can empower individuals with knowledge and resources to uplift themselves and their communities. Beyond education, the internet enables trade and commerce, connecting individuals and businesses around the world. Giants like Facebook, Google, and SpaceX are already investing in ambitious projects to ensure internet connectivity for every corner of the globe. The possibilities are endless, and the impact can be transformative. So if you're passionate about creating equal opportunities and making the world a more connected place, working towards providing internet access for everybody is a problem worth solving. 10. Private data and home security. In an era marked by data breaches and privacy concerns, personal data security has become a pressing issue. The cybersecurity industry, already valued at $200 billion, continues to offer opportunities for growth, especially in the consumer market. Entrepreneurs who can develop innovative and user-friendly solutions to safeguard personal data will find themselves in a rapidly expanding market. As personal data becomes more valuable, the market for personal data security has the potential to overtake the home security industry. Securing personal data is now as crucial as securing physical homes. Entrepreneurs who can offer integrated systems combining home security and data protection will be well positioned to capitalize on this growing market. By providing comprehensive solutions that address both physical premises and digital aspects of individuals' lives, entrepreneurs can meet the evolving needs of consumers and offer a holistic approach to security. Overall, the rising concern for personal data security presents a lucrative opportunity for entrepreneurs to tap into a market that is expected to grow exponentially. 11. Male birth control. The contraceptives market is a growing industry, surpassing $33 billion by the end of 2023. While female birth control options have been widely available for decades, there is still a significant need for effective male contraceptive solutions. Developing a safe and reliable method of male birth control presents a substantial opportunity to tap into this expanding market. By addressing the demand for male contraceptives, entrepreneurs can not only contribute to reproductive health, but also capture a share of the multi-billion-dollar contraceptives industry. The development of a safe and reliable male contraceptive solution has the potential to revolutionize the contraceptives market. With a significant need for male birth control options, entrepreneurs who can provide effective solutions will have the opportunity to tap into a growing market. The development of male birth control options represents a compelling opportunity for innovation and market disruption in the field of contraceptives. 12. Space exploration. Space exploration and resource capture present a tremendous opportunity in the trillion-dollar space industry. With the potential for asteroid mining, space tourism, and colonization, we are only beginning to scratch the surface of what is possible. The space sector holds vast potential for massive wealth creation, and although currently limited to a select few advancements in space technology, could open up new opportunities for entrepreneurs to enter this sector. Asteroid mining, for instance, has the potential to unlock an abundance of valuable resources, such as rare metals and minerals. The estimated value of asteroid resources reaches into the trillions of dollars. Furthermore, space tourism is an emerging industry, with private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin already making strides in making space travel accessible to civilians. As technology advances and costs decrease, space tourism could become a significant revenue generator. Additionally, the prospect of space colonization holds the promise of establishing new habitats and potentially solving resource scarcity challenges on Earth. 13. Sex robots. Yes, you heard that right. Sex robots are on the horizon, and there's already a $30 billion race to create the first premium robot. While this may not be everyone's cup of tea, there's a significant market for these products, especially as society becomes more isolated. Intimacy robots, a concept that may spark mixed reactions, are already on the horizon, and there is a race among companies to create the first premium robot in this field. With a projected market value of $30 billion, there is a significant market for these products, particularly as society faces increasing levels of isolation. As societal trends evolve and individuals experience feelings of loneliness and disconnection, the market for intimacy robots emerges as a potential solution. The market potential for premium intimacy robots speaks to the significant demand for these types of products as individuals search for alternative means of fulfilling their emotional and intimate needs. 14. Hair regeneration. Hair regeneration presents a significant market opportunity in the lucrative hair transplant industry, currently valued at $9 billion globally. The desire to combat hair loss is widespread, and individuals are willing to invest substantial amounts of money to restore their hair. Developing a non-surgical solution, such as a cream or laser treatment, has the potential to revolutionize the industry and offer a highly profitable opportunity for entrepreneurs. By providing a non-surgical alternative to traditional hair transplant methods, entrepreneurs can tap into a market where demand is high and premiums are paid for effective solutions. The development of innovative creams, lotions, or laser treatments that stimulate hair growth has the potential to transform the hair regeneration industry. With a global market already valued at billions of dollars, entrepreneurs who can offer non-invasive and successful hair regeneration solutions will be well positioned to capture a significant share of this market and create a lucrative business venture. 15. Death, often considered the ultimate problem, has captivated the attention of visionaries and billionaires like Larry Ellison and Peter Thiel. The pursuit of life extension and even immortality has become a driving force in cutting-edge research and technological advancements. From organ engineering to the concept of artificial bodies, the possibilities in this field are truly mind-boggling. Successfully solving the enigma of death would not only bring immense wealth, but also immortalize those who achieve such a feat in the annals of history, forever changing the course of humanity. With the potential to extend the human lifespan indefinitely, entrepreneurs who venture into this uncharted territory could accumulate unimaginable wealth and leave an indelible mark on society. The implications of solving death go beyond financial gain, as it would fundamentally reshape our understanding of life, ethics, and the very nature of humanity itself. So there you have it, 15 problems that, if solved, can catapult you into the billionaire club. Which one gets your blood pumping the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated with our future videos. Remember, the future is yours for the taking.